guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Drawings. Today I'm going to go over how to inspire yourself to draw, basically. I'm going to go through that. I'm going to go through my opinion, and while I'm doing that, so you're just not looking at a blank screen, I'm just going to doodle for myself while I'm talking. So stick around, pay attention, and hopefully, you guys can give me some feedback in the comments on what I say, like what your opinion is. So a huge question I always get is, I'm not inspired to draw. I have no inspiration. I want to draw, I want to do more, and I want to get good at it, but I'm not inspired to. I have two thoughts on that, okay? And I know the struggle, right? I've been through it. I've been through it many years. I still somewhat go through it, not really. It does kind of go away. Inspiration, for me personally, is a habit. It is something I've been doing so long. I get up, and when you do any kind of skill, right, when you're growing any type of skill, whether it be riding a bike, whether it be, skateboarding, whether it be, tennis, any skill of that sort is going to require you to do it at times that you may not want. And you don't have to be miserable about it. Obviously, you got into it because you enjoy drawing, but you do have to train yourself to just automatically pick up a pencil and start doing it if you want to practice it, because you want to get good. You want to get good fast, and you want to pass that beginner stage immediately, right? So the best way to do that is to draw like constantly, like every day, at least 5 days a week. Let's just say you get up and you're like, you don't really know what to do, you don't know what to draw, just start drawing anything. People are in front of you, animals. We'll draw the lamp. I've done that. I'll draw the desk lamp. Doesn't matter what you draw. Do that. It is a habit. It's a habitual pattern. Over time, when you start doing that, you're gonna start just automatically doing it. I don't really feel any highs or lows when I draw anymore. Very, very rarely. Usually, I feel nothing. I just feel like I do feel enjoyment. I guess that's a high. But the highs are not that high and the lows are not that low. It's really more of like, this is what I do, and I'm doing it. And that's kind of all that goes through my head lately. One other thing that you can do, and I do this on and off, if, let's just say, I'm particularly lazy, particularly unmotivated, I go through a folder, or I go through Instagram, or I go through some of my many books on art, and I go through them and look at other people's artwork that I like, that I love, right? You go through that artwork. I'll do it sometimes in the morning. I'll just kind of go through it, just skim through it, just kind of looking at it, not even analyzing it that much, just kind of being like in awe of it, like, wow, this is awesome. And usually, after 10 minutes just looking at that stuff, I want to draw. I just want to do it. I'm like, I want to do that right now, or I want to replicate, I want to draw or paint. So maybe that'll work for you, if you're really at that stage. But that in itself, together, building that discipline and looking at other people's artwork for, let's say, just internal motivation. You have to be motivated enough, of course, right? Because otherwise you just go into another career, or maybe it's not your thing. But I think for the vast majority of you, especially the people watching this video, you most likely are that first category, like me. You just got to make it a habit, and you do it, and it's something you are. It's not even something you do, it's something you are. You are an artist. Just you practicing this stuff, you are an artist, dude. Or dudette, guy or girl. You are a drawer, you are an artist, that's what you are. And it becomes a part of you, and you won't have to put that much effort in just picking up a pencil. So I hope that helped you out. What I want you to do right now is like the video if you did like this little discussion video, so I know what to put more of on this channel. I want you to share it if possible, because that helps me the most. Sharing is caring. And comment, give me your opinion below, because then I can respond to you, respond to every single comment. And that's kind of it. The last thing, join if you want to learn shading. I have a shading ebook. It's going to be in the description. Look down. There's going to be a free ebook on shading, the basics of shading. It's great. You can print it out. I made it easy to view. Totally free, like I said. Click on it, and that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I didn't even get through this drawing. Wow. I can't believe it. I just talked too much, man. Whatever.